Meet Alex, a young adult minifig relaxing in a cozy Lego apartment. Suddenly, the phone buzzes. It's paycheck day. A big, bold $2,500 flashes across the screen, and Alex's eyes light up with excitement. But this is just the beginning of the story. First stop, the local coffee shop. Tap, tap, tap. Alex orders a fancy latte, and the money tracker bar dips slightly. Next, a trendy clothing store catches Alex's eye. With a quick swipe, a new jacket is purchased. Another chunk of cash gone. Hunger strikes, so it's time for food delivery. Alex scrolls through options, places an order, and soon a delivery biker minifig hands over a meal. The bank balance shrinks even faster now, the tracker bar tumbling down with each purchase. Suddenly, Alex's mailbox overflows with bills, rent, internet, streaming services, and last month's credit card statement. Sitting amid a pile of overdue envelopes, Alex's stress is palpable. The bank app shows a dangerously low balance. Alex's face tightens with worry as he watches the money bar rapidly shrink. Alex is still stressed from the money chaos when friend Jamie waves from a cafe table. Jamie pulls out a simple idea. Why not try a super simple budget? Just give every dollar a job before you spend it. No spreadsheets needed. Alex grabs a whiteboard and divides the $2,500 paycheck into 5 clear piles. $200 red for rent and bills, $400 green for food and groceries, $200 blue for transport, $300 yellow for fun and eating out, and $400 gold for savings and emergencies. Coins move from the paycheck stack into each category. Money tracker bars appear above. Alex nods. This feels doable. One simple rule pops up. If a category runs out, say no, or shift money on purpose. Alex takes a photo of the plan. Game on. First weekend with the budget plan. Alex heads to the supermarket with a shopping cart. One big grocery trip. Fresh veggies, rice, basics. Total $120 from the green food pile. Tracker drops from $400 to $280. Check. Later, friends text about dinner. Alex meets them at a cozy restaurant, orders a burger and drink, $60 from the yellow fun pile. Tracker updates, $300 to $240. Still good. Alex pulls out the phone note, marks both spends. The categories are alive, shrinking, but under control. Nothing in Alex's life changed. No big lifestyle sacrifice, the only difference? Every dollar now has a name and a job. Week 1 complete. Alex smiles. This might actually work. Midweek, Alex's phone buzzes, a text from friends. Concert this weekend, tickets $120. Alex's eyes light up, imagining the music and lights. But then, the pause. Alex checks the phone note. Yellow fun pile sits at $240. A $120 ticket fits, but it means half the fun money gone halfway through the month. Split-second decision. Buy now and scramble later, or skip and save for smaller nights out. Before the budget, Alex would have tapped without thinking. Now there's a real choice. Alex hesitates, then buys the ticket. Fun tracker drops. $240 to $120. Still enough for coffee dates, but tighter. Alex marks it down carefully. The budget isn't stopping fun. It's making every yes count double. Test passed, for now. Everything's smooth until week 3. Alex's laptop screen suddenly cracks with a shower of sparks. The repair guy minifig quotes $200. Ouch! Old Alex would have panicked and slapped it on the credit card, starting the debt cycle. But budget. Alex pauses, checks the phone note. Gold savings pile. Still holds $400. Deep breath. Alex opens the emergency fund box, counts out 200 bricks. Tracker updates, $400 to $200. It stings, but no interest payments looming. No credit card minimums, eating next month's paycheck. Relief washes over Alex's face as the laptop gets fixed. The savings pile looks smaller, but the debt pile stays empty. That's the real win. Emergency funds aren't for luxuries. They're for exactly these moments. Budget. Alex sleeps better tonight. End of the month, fun money's down to just $50. Friends text, party this weekend? Alex really wants to go, but that yellow bar is almost empty. Food bar still has 120 left. Alex thinks for a sec, then grabs 20 from food and slides it over to fun. Numbers update. Food drops to 100. Fun jumps to 70. Party's on. Not sneaky spending, just a smart swap. Cheaper groceries this week. More rice, less snacks. For one fun night out. Alex jots it down in the phone notes. Double checks the math adds up. Later at the party, everyone's laughing. Glasses clinking. Alex feels good. Had fun without going broke. Budgeting isn't about saying no to everything. It's picking what you're willing to skip to get what you really want. Month's finally over. Picture this side by side. Old Alex is totally buried. Bills everywhere. No savings left, credit card maxed out, just freaking out. Budget Alex? Still chilling with 200 tucked away in gold savings, zero debt, sleeping easy. Same crazy month for both. Rent, groceries, that concert, laptop fix, even the party night. The only real difference? Old Alex had no idea where the money vanished. Budget Alex knew every step. It's that simple. Jot down your paycheck, split it into needs, wants, and future you money. Surprises pop up? Swap some around or just say nah for now. Grab your phone notes, draw 4 quick boxes. Needs, wants, future, total. Done. Works whether you're 16 with your first job or restarting at 30. Alex smiles at the mirror. Phone notes still open. 1 month down, freedom up. Your turn, same paycheck, same life. Which Alex will you choose to be tomorrow?